Hey, Nikki Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. So, are women who wear wigs, weaves, makeup, lashes, get their nails done, are they really high maintenance? Um, does this prevent you from dating them because you feel like you would have to help them maintain um, this upkeep? Um, is this really an issue though? Or is it just an excuse? What's the real issue here? Is it something else about is there something else about her that you're just not saying and you're using this as an excuse? Because it seems that women who wear, whether you know it's a weave or not, right? Women who, from what I understand, men look at the overall general beauty of a woman. They may not know she got her eyebrows done. They may not know she has lashes on if they're like a natural length. They may not know that she has her nails done. Like, my nails are done. I don't have, different color polish on. They just look clear, but my nails are done, right? Again, they may not be, you know, with all the rhinestones and all the different colors, but they are still done, right? Um, so the more of the toned down natural beauties who, maybe wear natural looking makeup, not too many colors, it's just more toned down, neutral colors. Or even if she does wear more color. The point is, those women who wear makeup, and I'm not saying heavy makeup, I'm not talking about heavy makeup because a lot of women wear makeup every day and men do not know that they're wearing makeup. These are the women that I'm referring to, right? The women who wear like a light foundation or they wear something on their face, mascara, maybe even a little lip gloss, but it's not obvious that they're wearing makeup. The women who wear makeup, the women who wear weaves, even if it's a short one, it looks natural. It looks like her hair. She gets her nails done. They look natural. They look like her nails, right? Or they're a more natural length. So again, they look like her nails. Those women tend to get more attention from men because men are looking at the overall beauty of the woman, not the specific details like another woman would. Not that some men don't notice because some men do. But in general, y'all just look at the overall picture. If you say yay or nay, I like it or I don't like it, right? So women do dress a certain way or wear certain things to get the attention of other women. Oh, girl, you look cute. Oh, your eyebrows look good. Your this look good. Your that look good. But again, men are just looking at the overall beauty, and those women get hit on more by men um, when they are more dressed up. I'm saying dressed up. I'm calling the overall look dressed up, right? Not to say that if a woman goes to the store without makeup or without hair, with sweatpants and a t-shirt on, she's still going to get attention, but she's probably going to get attention from a man that she would not be interested in dating. And that's the difference. Hold on, I need to check on my food. Sorry, y'all. But in general, those women seem to get more attention from men when they're dressed up than they do when they're not. Um, and for single women who want a man, not just a sex partner, right? A woman can get that anywhere. Again, she can go to the store with a t-shirt and sweatpants on, and the man that's less desirable for whatever reason, she can have sex with him if she wants to. So, you know, there's always a man who wants to have sex. That's a dime a dozen. It's nothing. There's nothing special about it. If she wants to engage, she can, and if she doesn't, she won't. Um, but I'm referring to the women who actually want a mate. And sometimes women tell themselves that they don't want a relationship because they don't want to be disappointed. So um, they will lie to themselves or lie to others and say, oh, well, I don't want a commitment. I don't want a relationship, when they really do. And some women think that having sex will get them into a relationship, and sometimes it does, but not always. That's the exception and not the rule. Um, and then if they do get into a relationship, is it even a good relationship? Because they don't really know each other unless they take the time to get to know each other afterwards. But, women are going to keep doing what seems to get them results. And so, even if it's a short weave or wig, if that gets them more attention, they're going to keep doing that. They're gonna keep putting on the lashes. They're gonna keep getting their nails done. They're gonna keep with the certain outfits because that is what gets them attention. So half the time, men don't even know a woman is wearing the weave unless it's just like a really long weave, and he really feels like it's unrealistic. But there are some natural girls who have hair that's that long, right? So sometimes it's not easy to tell. Um, but men say they don't like weave, but then they're attracted to women with weave, right? So again, women are gonna keep doing what works for them. It's like on the one hand, a guy will say he doesn't like it, but at the same time, he's attracted to it. So again, women are gonna do what works for them. So if you really don't like it, even if you're not sure why, you're still looking in her direction. You're still looking at her. You're still watching her. You're still interested in her. You may even want to talk to her. So she's going to keep wearing the weave or the nails that some of y'all say look like claws, or the lashes that look like butterflies, or whatever it is. She's getting attention from someone. That's why she keeps doing it. Right? There's some man that and even if he's just thinks she's has low self-esteem and she's emotionally detached or whatever it is, and he just wants one thing from her, he's still giving her attention. So she doesn't know that he's only after her for one thing or a certain thing, right? She's just doing what gets her attraction, and she's hoping that it turns into a relationship. So I know personally I get more attention that way, even if I don't want the attention, right? Um, And I think that it's funny because men always say that, oh, I want a woman with natural hair. But when women wear their natural hair, men don't pay them any attention a lot of times. And women want a man. A lot of women want a man. So they want men to pay them attention. So they do what gets them attention. It's crazy. I just wanted to know, I just wanted to put that out there and ask that question because in my mind, it doesn't make sense. People, men are saying, oh, I don't like women with weaves, yet you're giving women with wigs and weaves the more attention. How does this work? Because 9 times out of 10, you don't know she's wearing a wig or a weave. You think it's her real hair because it looks natural. It's funny. All right, love y'all. Later.